Pam, you said, how fast can we deliver? And I think that alone is, when we move so fast, we cut corners. We're not thinking about, all the ways that, we could be being unethical, as an example.
Compare the American, maybe North American way of developing products and how regulated it is to do things in Europe. Because in Europe, it's more about, first you have to be careful, develop something. It's much slower, however it's done right. And often once it's completed, it's already, in terms of technology, behind what North America would already have. However, the chances of a mess up in terms of data and protection and security it's much lower. So lower risk, but at the same time, it's much slower. So where do you draw the balance?
We're also informed by consequences, right? And so when you look at the divide between the American model of doing things in the European, if the American model says, oh, we can rush this and the consequences won't be great compared to what we expect to get, then you're going to see a culture of development that doesn't prioritize or emphasize. And that's really a regulation framework as well, right? Mm-hmm. And you can see that on the ground if you were to compare, like you were mentioning.
Mm-hmm. It also would be really interesting to see how this conversation would land if there were 3 regulators on this call instead of 3 product designers, right? And it's
perspective for sure.
Yeah, and it speaks to sort of this idea of, yes, how do we practice speed and frugal innovation in digital health, but also protect people?